Bah A Andrew Shullai MDC ka JHADC ula Kren Plie ha ka seminar bashisngi belapelong dekat Assam University Silchar halor ka phang politics and political processes in 5th and 6th schedule regions of India ha ka Sngi Balang balala. Bah Andrew Shullai ula batai ki jingeh bagi district council ki iakhynduh akini snem balala nakadaw pa ka sorkar India bat ka sorkar Jylla kila shim no ki jingpyniaid ki skul primary niki kti jong ki district council kabala khanglad ki jingpynroi ki tintanrai ha ki jakari lom. Ula ong group ka jingbam don ka an mana kin tiap seng kumbalong ha Iingdorbar Parliament bat Iingdorbar Thaw Ain ki Jylla kelawan rai ka jingkala kha ki bor Silchar ha ki district council. Kajingdon jaka kendon kat arah ke 6th schedule kelawan rak kajing dekok ki bakraw kajing terikam jang ke district council. Bah Andrew lapen pawi kajing kermen begila don kajing perkat pen penjenai ke 6th schedule ha ki Sngi Banwan ki ban pen bhai ki rukam terikam jang ke district council. Ula kentui ki akhya jeliu jing perkat banwat bat tip shushu ki phang jing tip halor ki an jang ke 6th schedule khanang beki riu lom rit pat ken roi habarok kiliang khamtam dele yala ka ktin ka thliet bat ki destur kiriti ban pelong ya kari India ka pakra.
Member and at present I'm the leader of opposition in the Autonomous District Council. So actually I didn't prepare any speech. I was like when I was talking with Dr. Moses, he was telling me of the challenges and the working of the sixth schedule, the Autonomous District Council. I think more of you are more aware than me than what is the 5th schedule in the Constitution and what is the 6th schedule for the Constitution, which areas fall in the 5th and which areas fall in the 6th. But as you introduced, I am a management student. I came to politics. Only after coming to politics, I started learning this. Even before I fight elections as a member of the City Council, I never used to learn fully about the 6th schedule. So I think, to be in the political system or to be in the political area, I think that political science is, I think people who are in the political science will be able to know more about the political situation, about what's their constitutional provisions in politics. So you are also one of the, this department or this subjects which you are studying now, I think will help you a lot in the future in whatever stream, because this will, you'll know more about the political situations of the Northeast and even as the country as a whole. So I'm here at the moment, I'm been asked to speak as a member practitioner. What are the challenges and what are the working situation of the district councils? As you know, this is one of the provision of the Constitution which is very, the forefathers who has envisaged this provision, they have think very far on how to administer the tribal areas. As you know, I think all of us also here, we have distinct, we have different versions right from food, culture, ethnicity. Most of us, even between the Northeast also, they have different varieties. And this provision, I think, it has it has helped us to maintain that. So as a member of the JHADC councils, we have 30 members, 29 are elected and 1 is nominated by the government. So most, I think, I don't know if you are gone through the detail of the 6th schedule or not in your point of view, but as you see in the main difference now, when they envisage it in the beginning, it's all same in the powers, functions and everything same. But as time goes, as with time, there are so many amendments, and amendments differ from state to state. The amendments what happened now, there is a talk about the relevance of the district council in some states.